I'm trying something new. This is my new setup in my new house with a beautiful background, plenty of space. My art room is downstairs now, no longer sharing the art room and soundboard room. A much bigger spot. My last spot was beautiful, but this spot is larger. Practice. Okay, let me go ahead and cover this all up, y'all. My hat. I never get to wear this hat, so I'm wearing it. So I figure I'll wear it for videos, since I don't really get to wear it out and about. And I have my flannel on, but we're at home. I got inspired. Okay. Root chakra. Close your eyes and hear the sounds of the root chakra. Heart chakra. It's the heart chakra. Now for the sacral chakra. Healing of the sacral chakra. Your creativity center. Center for emotions. Different type of sticks. I play with both. It gives a deeper sound. Watch this. Root. You hear that? Now for the heart. Sacral. I want to give a shout out to my friend my lovely friend, my mentor, my artist friend, my jewelry companion, Jill. Jill Christensen Jones. She made my bracelet. I don't know if you can tell by here. Maybe I can do a close up. And my earrings. She provided me with the most fabulous jewelry. She does. She does. Check her out. She can make authentic, creative pieces just for you, you know. You want something unique? Go to Jill Christensen LaCroix Jones. She's on my Facebook page. Close your eyes and really feel it. Healing sounds, solfeggio frequencies, healing, 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 health, health, health. Thank you.